In this video, I'd like to talk about finding angles in triangles. So when you have a triangle, the key piece of information that you need to know to be able to find any type of missing angle is what the three angles will add up to. So let's say we have angle A, angle B, and angle C, and these are all going to be different size angles. If we add these three together, they are going to equal 180 degrees. Now, I do want to make note that this only occurs when the surface is flat. So in normal Euclidean geometry, the angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. But if, like let's say you're looking at the surface of a globe, or maybe the surface of the inside of some type of ball, then triangles on those surfaces are going to either add up to more or less than 180. So this really only occurs on flat planes, but for most of elementary geometry, that's the type of plane that you're going to work with, or at least that's the one that you'll start with. So in these example problems, we're going to be told two of the angles, and we need to find one of the missing angles. So this one is 27, this one is 68, and we need to find what this missing angle is. So we can set this up as an equation since we know these three are going to add up to 180 degrees. So let's say that the 27 degree angle plus the 68 degree angle plus the x degree angle, this is equal to 180 degrees. And from here we can just solve for x. We need to start by combining like terms. So adding 27 and 68. So 20 plus 68, that brings us to 88, plus 7 more brings us to 95. And now we need to solve for x, so we can subtract 95 on each side. Let me just make a little bit of room here. So subtracting 95 degrees, we'll do that on each side of our equation. So if we take away 90, that brings us to 90, and then taking away 5 more brings us to 85. So it looks like that missing angle is 85 degrees. And of course, the way to check this is to just add these three together now. So you now at least think you know that this is 85. So if we add these three angles, do we get back 180? So I encourage you check that with your calculator just to make sure, but when you add these together, you do get back 85 degrees.